Ndewo, my name is Onyinye and you're welcome back to my channel, you're welcome back to my page, you're welcome back to my television. I don't know where you're watching me from. If you're watching me on YouTube, you're welcome. On TikTok, Facebook, you're very much welcome. No. So if you've not started following me on Facebook and TikTok, please do well to click on that follow button, share this video and also like this video, okay? Search for Onyi Cindy, Facebook and TikTok, but YouTube, search for I Love Igbo. So, in this video, we're going to learn animals in Igbo language. This particular topic of animals is going to come in 4 parts, 4 different videos. But this particular one, we're learning farm/domestic animals. That is animals we are friends with. Yeah, animals we are friends with. In our next video, we're going to learn wild animals, which those ones will come on my YouTube channel. Then next, we're learning birds, types of birds, like the eagle, the chicken, the vulture, and the rest of them. Then the 4th part of this video, we're learning animals that live in the water or have something to do with water. The fish, the frogs, and the rest of them. Okay, so this one we're learning farm/domestic animal. That is animals that are domesticated. Okay, so the first one I have here is the pig. Pig is called Ezi. Pig, Ezi, pig, Ezi. Right? That is pig, Ezi. The next on my list here is dog. Dog means nkita, 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 dog, nkita. Yeah, dog, our people, we don't eat dog. Yes, we don't eat dogs. Never. We can never try that. You know why? My dad told us that long time ago, dog was able to secure the life of a little baby in a burning house. Yes, nobody was around. So the dog entered the house and then it brought out the little baby from that burning house. So you see, we can never eat dogs. Never. I don't know. I don't like dogs. We can live with them, but we cannot eat them or even drink the water. If you do, like if you're from my place and you do eat dog, hey, that one is for you and God. Okay, so dog is called nketa. Nketa. Goat is ewu. Ewu. Goat. Ewu. Ewu. Goat. Ram is ebune. Ebune. Ebune or ebule. Ebule. Ebune. Ebule. So it depends on how you want to pronounce it or your dialect. So the N and L, that is ebune, ebule. Okay, that is the ram. Good. The next is cow. Cow is called efi, 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 ehi, efi, ehi. So the F and the H, efi, ehi. Sheep is called atoro. Atoro. Sheep. Atoro. Horse is called inyinya. 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 Horse. Inyinya. Camel is called inyinya ozara. Inyinya ozara. So you see, camel is also in the horse family. So that is why it is also called inyinya. Then inyinya ozara. Ozara means desert. So inyinya ozara, that is the camel. Cat means nwamba. Nwamba or nwa olobo. Nwamba, nwa olobo. Nwamba, nwa olobo. Some people say busu. But actually, Busu is not an Igbo name. No, busu is derived from pussycat. Pussy, busu, busu, pussy. So you see, busu, pussy, cat. Pussycat, busu. So busu is not an Igbo name. So, but when you hear busu, the person is actually calling wamba or nwa olobo. So wamba or wolobo is the right name of the cat. So donkey is called Ịnyịnya Ibu. Ịnyịnya Ibu. So donkey is also part of the horse family. So that is why there is Ịnyịnya here. Ịnyịnya Ibu. Ibu means load, right? So donkey is Ịnyịnya Ibu, the horse that carries load. Ịnyịnya Ibu, donkey. Rat means okay. Okay, rat. Okay. Rat, okay. Rabbit, okay, oyibo. Okay, oyibo. Okay, oyibo. Okay, oyibo. Lizard, ngwere. 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 Some people say ngwere. Ngwere. So it's still the same spelling, but you know, different pronunciation. So it depends on how you want to call it. Ngwere. Ngwere. That is the lizard. Snail is ejula. Ejula. Snail, ejula. Some people say ejune. Ejula, ejune. They are the same thing. Ejune, ejula. You can see that on the screen. Okay. Cockroach, ọchịcha. 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 Then the last on the list here is tortoise, which is mbe. Mbe. Some people say mbeku. Mbe. So that is the tortoise, right? So for the sake of this video, I don't want it to be so long. That is why we're going to have it in different parts. Okay, so do well to watch other videos on animals. Then you know, wild animals, that's the lion, the snake, the tiger, and the rest of them. So guys, I hope you do enjoy this video. That brings us to the end. If there is a particular topic you would want me to teach you, please don't hesitate to comment. Tell me that particular topic you would want me to teach you, and I'll definitely come back to reply you. Like and also subscribe to this channel to join our community. Ndewo. Got it later.